I want to show you guys how to make a TikTok face tracking in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, find the video where someone is dancing. Decrease the zoom, otherwise we hit the black edges of the video during the edits. So zoom it to a good amount. Then go to the effects and write transform. Drag your transform effect to your video clip. Following, go to effects control, transform, and click on the position. The first stopwatch icon will appear. It will also be necessary to get the save margins and guides in order to create such type of effects. If you don't have it, just click on the plus and add to your toolbar. Let's activate 3 of these tools. Then drag the guides in the middle of the face of the person. We are creating the reference point that we are going to use as the future keyframe adjustment. Next, move to your preview window and move few keyframes ahead. Using the X and Y position, make the recenter. Following, move again few frames ahead. Do it till the moment that you want that effect will last. Probably it is a little bit boring, but the result is worth of it. Perfect. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.